What's up, Ricky?
What's up, Davis? Welcome back, everybody, to the Speed Shed. And we are about to pull off today's surprise. All the way from Tampa, Florida.
What's that?
I'm not really sure. Well, I'm kind of sure, but I don't really know what's in this.
Okay.
All right, everybody, welcome back. I'll just let you guys know what's in this box before we even go do the unboxing. It's a set of coilovers, and we looked high and low for a set of coilovers all over the internet, and what actually brought us to this set was Facebook Marketplace. So I wanted to give Dalton a big thumbs up. I'll leave his Instagram handle in the description, but we'll just put it this way, the shipping costs more than the coilover, so this should be really interesting, and here we go.
Wait, Ricky, what coilovers did we get?
I don't know, they're gold.
Works with me.
So I'll take your X-Acto knife here.
Weapon of choice.
Made by Harbor Freight. Oh, wow. Dude, Dalton, I don't know what you do for a living, man, but you really should work at like...
Probably works at UPS. Sponsor us, please.
Yeah, that was... Just a forewarning, guys. Dalton did tell me he spent like multiple hours trying to package this thing, and there are multiple cans of like spray foam of some sort. I've never even seen this stuff or worked with it, but he said good luck, so I'm not sure what that means, but
You need help, Ricky?
no, I think we're good. Oh, I found the foam stuff, I think.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, not really. All right, it's like Christmas, but with... My mom doesn't even spend this much time wrapping my gifts. All right, let's do it. Oh, I found the spray foam.
Wow, this was a... What brand is it?
They are called Max. I think there's supposed to be an S in there, but I think it's supposed to be Max Speeding Rods.
Let me see. Max Speeding Rods. Wow.
They even have coilover keys. Spanner wrenches, dude, and that one is like in there. Just give that a little nugget. Give that a nugget. Nice. All right.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
6.5 hours later.
What do you got there, Ricky?
It's so hard. It looks like a rear coilover to me.
Dude.
You can't literally throw some filth down your leg and then expect me to be able to talk after that. All right. So, finally got everything unboxed. Dalton, I'm gonna be pretty honest, man. We just spent like half an hour trying to tear this apart, and actually there's still a good amount of packing on some of this stuff, so still have some work to do. But we did get a little goodie with it. There is a sway bar end link attached to one of them, and if you guys already know, our sway bar end links were actually detached from the joint, So on ours, one of these is actually detached from the actual joint. Actually, both of them are. So we actually still need one. But anyway, we'll get to installing them when we get done soon.